Hello everyone, this is Chris. Now I will show some machine to you. This is our warehouse for the finished products. Here I will show you the CNC cutting machine, H-beam assembly machine, gantry type welding machine, and straightening machine, short blasting machine. Here, on the right hand, these are the finished CNC cutting machine, CNC flame cutting machine, and CNC plasma cutting machine. Now, I will show you some details. You can see this one. The gantry is 4 meters. It is equipped with 2 sets of CNC torch. Here, you can see this one is the CNC torch. Two CNC torch in this side. And on the other side, here's the strip cutting torch. The flanges and the web of the H-beam can be cut by this torch. Each distance of the torch can be adjusted. The CNC torch equipped with the height controller and auto ignition. You can see this is height controller, and here is a Chinese CNC control system. All the operation can be finished here. The rail span is 4 meters. Then the effective cutting width can be 3.2 meters. Usually, this kind of machine, the rail length is 15 meters. Then the effective cutting length will be 12.5 meters. And here, we also have the CNC plasma and the flame cutting machine, this one. It is equipped with 1 set of CNC plasma torch and 1 set of CNC flame cutting torch. Here, this one is a plasma cutting torch. And here, this is the plasma power. It is made by Zhouxiang, Chinese brand. And if you need, we can also provide the American Hudson plasma power. This is a CNC flame torch. This is also the CNC control system. And this one here, This is a height controller for the plasma cutting torch. It is XPTHC, Chinese brand. You can see these machines are ready for delivery. And there is a cutting machine under assembly. Here you can see clearly. The CNC system. CNC torch, flame torch. Two steps. The strip cutting torch, 9 sets. This one is also 4 meters for roll span. Here's a mark, number 9. And this is the gantry. This is our CNC cutting machine. If you have any question for it, please feel free to contact me. If you need the CNC cutting machine, you can just tell me the details of your workpiece, such as plate width, plate length, cutting thickness, or plasma cutting thickness you need. Okay, bye bye.